Are 2-inch Toyota Hilux wheel spacers safe? If you install them properly, 2-inch wheel spacers are exactly very safe to use and will not cause any vibration. It is recommended to get a wheel spacer installed at a reputable wheel shop. To ensure safety, most people add wheel spacer to accommodate larger tires. Without them, a larger tires as originally installed will often rub against fenders. Usually while the vehicle is turning on the suspension components, pushing the tires outward helps mitigate this rubbing. If you use Toyota Hilux wheel spacers, make sure the provided wheel locks are strong enough. BONOSS Toyota Hilux wheel spacers are made of high-strength 6061-T6 and 7075-T6 aluminum alloy materials. After continuous tons of pressure, the forging process eliminates internal void pockets and weaken metal parts, maximizing fatigue resistance and increasing impact strength.
BONOSS wheel spacer with multi-stage Hub-Centric Design. The Hub-Centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers and diffused in the corresponding hub spacers, which the spacer more closely with the hub. Eliminates vibration caused by inaccurate data. BONOSS wheel spacer provide high performance for additional functions, fast customer service, and friendly service, which is your best choice. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.